Join me as I dive into the world of artificial intelligence and challenge myself to see just how much it can do. Compared to us humans, artificial intelligence is changing the game. And it's no secret that robots are slowly but surely taking over tasks that used to be done by humans. From simple tasks like data entry to complex ones like surgery, AI is making its presence known in almost every industry. This shift towards automation has sparked a very important conversation about the future of work and the role that humans will play in it. The idea of robots replacing humans has many people worried, and for good reason. Job displacement is a major concern, as machines and algorithms can do many tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment, which would have a huge impact on the economy. People are also worried about what a future dominated by robots would mean for our sense of purpose and identity. Would we become complacent and lazy, relying on machines to do everything for us? These are just a few of the questions that people are asking as AI becomes more prevalent. Let's take a look at some of the sectors that are being heavily impacted by AI. In manufacturing, robots are being used to assemble cars, electronics, and even furniture. In customer service, chatbots are being used to handle customer inquiries and provide support. Even in healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose patients and develop personalized treatment plans. For example, robotic nurses are being used to provide care to patients in hospitals, and AI-powered robots are being used to perform surgeries. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in logistics and transportation. Self-driving trucks and drones are being tested and implemented, which could revolutionize the way goods are delivered. In finance, AI-powered systems are being used to analyze data and make investment decisions. AI is even being used in education, where it's being used to create personalized learning plans for students. One industry that's been particularly transformed by AI is the manufacturing industry. With the use of robots and machine learning algorithms, companies like Tesla and BMW are able to produce cars at a much faster rate and with a higher level of quality. However, this shift towards automation has also led to job losses, as machines are able to do tasks that used to be done by humans. In conclusion, the rise of AI and robots is a complex issue that requires a nuanced discussion. We've seen that AI is changing the way we work and live, and it's clear that it's here to stay. But as we move forward, it's essential that we have a conversation about the balance between technology and employment. So what do you think about AI and its impact on jobs? Do you think robots will replace humans, or will they augment our abilities? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the future of work, be sure to check out my related video on the topic.